Ang kabugusan ka St. Anthony's College, nagpatikayon kang andatuigan nga Sports Fest 2010. Ginpatikayon una ang sangka parade, halin sa EBJ Freedom Park paagto sa SAC Quadrangle. Kung sa diin ginsundan dya kang programa, kag gintambungan ka mga manunudo kag estudyante. Ang tatlo kadlaw nga pasipal, nangin madinalagan nga ginpatigayon.
There are two important concepts in the theme. One is total development, and the other is healthy world, or I would like to zero in on
Very clear na
health.
violated the rule.
First, I would like to focus on health. How do we define health? H-E-A-L-T-H. It's defined as the total well-being of a person in the physical, emotional,
Para sa
social, mental,
Timor.
and spiritual areas of life. It is not merely the absence of disease, but is related to the quality of life for each individual. So if we are not sick, we cannot say we are healthy already. Because absence of illness or disease is not a sure guarantee that we are healthy. Health is experienced everywhere, every day, and in all areas of life, including the environment in which we live. Schools are institutions for learning. We know that. And schools are also an important setting for the development of healthy individuals. St. Anthony's College is a learning institution, and we believe that St. Anthony's College is a good setting for the development of healthy individuals, both students and personnel. And when I say personnel, I refer to academic and non-academic personnel.